This is the top view of Santa Clara de Montefalco Parish. That is the big dome. What we call the big dome. There. And wait. So let me lead you from the right side. So this is the right side. Going there. And I'm getting here so that I can see the top view. This is the altar. So this is the altar of our Santa Clara de Montefalco, and that is what I featured earlier. And so this is the other one. So going to the big dome. So paikot po yan. At ito naman ang left side ng Santa Clara de Montefalco. So here we have Saint Pope John Paul II, and I don't know the other saint. So yan. That is the altar. Ang laki, ano? So this is a cathedral. Ito naman yung sa taas kasi may seats din sa taas to accommodate more people when they go to church. So ayan po. So magkabilaan yan. Kabilaan. So you see, napakalaki po talaga nito. And I hope you can visit the Santa Clara Montefalco Parish Church in Pasig City, the tallest church in the Philippines. Thank you.